everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. Today I'm going to show the booklet tutorial. So here is the die. You got two sizes in the set. And these cards I have showed before. So this part is for the center of the book. And this one I showed also. And for this one, I made an easel and it's also a shaker. So I'll do a tutorial for this card today. And I used a small version of the die to make the card. So I have die cut this piece out. And I also die cut the front side of the shaker with the acetate. So with these two dies together, you can make it like this. And I also added the foam already. The foam is with adhesive already, so I'll put the sequins inside. And just peel off the sticky tape and put the back piece together. So the shaker part is done. Now here is the card to make the easel. You need to fold half. And then fold half of the topper part. So this is the base of the easel. And I have die cut this paper. Also, I trimmed down all the corners, all the laces, so you will get the two real pieces. And then add the shaker part on the top of the easel. almost ready. And I add a label with foam at the back to make it pop out, and then stick it on the bottom part of the easel. So the card is done. So hope you find the tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.